Hello friend, it's the Chef Shaikh again, and today I'm gonna show you my another recipe, which is a chicken with black pepper, and it's very nice like my other recipe. Shall we start? I will tell you first my ingredients. Baby chicken, 1 kg. I got cream, single cream. The yogurt here, plain yogurt, ginger paste, garlic paste, chili paste, black pepper, chaat masala, cumin seed, turmeric powder, salt, oil, and gonna use some coriander for garnishing on top. Shall we start? Alright friend, first we're gonna put the cooking oil in the knife. Okay, the oil is almost ready. We're gonna put some chicken in there. We're gonna fry our chicken in oil. We're gonna proper cook it. Then we're gonna put spice stuff. It's not much spices goes in there. When it's ready, it will be very delicious. Usually this kind of dishes they make in a restaurant. Okay, I'm gonna put some salt in there. We about 1.5 spoon salt. It depends. If you want, if you like salt, you can put much. If you don't, you can put less. It's up to you. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it this for a few minutes. By the time this get ready, I'm gonna put lids on top. Alright, check our chicken. It's almost nearly ready. You see on top it got brown. So when it start getting brown, that means it's ready to put some other spices in there. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put ginger. Usually this dish you put a lot of ginger. I've got 3 big spoons. 3 big spoons ginger. Got 1.5 spoon garlic. Now I'm gonna mix this together. And I'm gonna leave my chicken to cook in the garlic. now I'm gonna put my other spices. First I'm gonna put turmeric powder. It's just about half a spoon. I've got about 2 teaspoons black pepper. We're gonna put all this black pepper. 1 spoon chaat masala and 1 spoon cumin powder and about couple of spoons green chili paste. Now I'm gonna mix this all. You can see this already, its color looks nice. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put yogurt in there. It's about 300 gram yogurt. So when you put yogurt, make sure you put flame is high. So the yogurt is gonna leave water. So if you put flame high, it will take all water down. Look at this already. It's beautiful. So we're gonna cook on a high flame now. Alright guys, this is ready nearly. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put single cream in there. Again, this is I'm going to put on high flame. Alright guys, this is the chicken ready. Now I'm gonna put a fresh lemon juice in there, and I'm gonna put on low heat. I'm gonna mix together, and it will cook another 5 minutes in lemon juice. Alright friend, you check chicken is ready, right? So we're just gonna put some garnishing on that. It take about 20 minutes to cook all this meal. So we go put on low heat. And now I'm gonna put some coriander on top. I will chop some coriander. Very fine pieces. put some coriander first. Yeah, not much. Mix it now. This our dish is ready. It smells very nice. Okay friend, dish is ready, and now we're gonna put in a plate. Okay friend, this is my dish. It's called chicken with the black pepper. You can see it. It's look very nice and very delicious as well. And this is, you can serve with rice, or you can serve with naan bread. It's up to you. What do you think of it? Okay friend, if you like it, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button and give me your feedback please. Every Sunday you will get a new video with a new recipe. Please don't forget to watch it. Thank you.